In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Stripe account to 3DIMLI using API keys. First, log in to your 3DIMLI dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Settings, then select Payment Gateways. Here, you'll see multiple options like PayPal, Stripe Classic, Razorpay, and Razorpay Classic. To connect Stripe, click the Connect button under Stripe Classic. A Connect Stripe pop-up will open. You'll see two required fields, Publishable Key and Restricted Key. Now we need to get these keys from your Stripe dashboard. Click the API keys link shown inside the pop-up. This will take you to the Stripe login page. Sign in using your email and password. You can also use Google, Passkey, or SSO if your account supports it. Once logged in, make sure you are in the correct mode. If you are testing, enable test mode. If you are ready to accept real payments, switch to live mode. Next, go to Developers in the Stripe dashboard. Click on API keys. You will see two sections, Standard Keys and Restricted Keys. First, scroll to the Standard Keys section. Copy the Publishable Key. It will start with PK Test in test mode or PK Live in live mode. Go back to your 3DIMLI dashboard and paste this into the Publishable Key field. Now return to the Stripe dashboard. Under the Restricted Keys section, click Create Restricted Key. Stripe will ask, how will you use this API key? Since you are connecting Stripe to 3DIMLI, select Providing this key to another website. This option is used when a third-party platform requires access to your Stripe account. Click Continue. Now enter the website details. In the name field, type 3DIMLI. In the URL field, enter https:/3dimli.com. You can leave customized permissions for this key unchecked unless specific permissions are required. Stripe applies secure default restrictions automatically. Click Continue or Create, depending on your Stripe interface. Stripe will now generate your restricted key. Copy the key immediately. It will begin with RK Test in test mode or RK Live in live mode. Return to the 3DIMLI pop-up and paste this into the restricted key field. Make sure both keys are from the same mode. Do not mix test and live keys. Once both fields are filled correctly, click Connect Account. If everything is valid, your Stripe account will now be successfully connected. From this point forward, payments will go directly to your Stripe account. Make sure your Stripe account is fully activated and ready to accept payments. And that's it. Your Stripe integration is now complete.